the floor of the CME group. This is Danny Riley on today's closing print. Can you say run and gun? We can. After yesterday's big mammoth selling balances and the flunkadunk, the S&P has come roaring back up. It's unbelievable. You know, and here, the other thing is, I want to say, you know, for the last couple of weeks, I've constantly come on and I've said that after these new highs that the S&P would have to back and fill a little bit to rebuild its thrust. And that's exactly what it's done. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1703.30 just a little while ago. The low came in at 1694.70 after the open. And last, we're 1702 even. We're up 21.5 handles. How do you like that? Total volume, well, it's not quite as good as yesterday, but we've got 1.43 million minis traded, probably be a little bit over 1.5 million when we're done, and 2,500 big S&Ps traded in the pit. Hold on. Hey, Robert, anything? Thank you. Goldman Sachs bought 300 to 400 big S&Ps on the close, and Smith Barney sold 300. That's what this is about down here, all right? It's not over. Don't believe it. MOC, we had 975 million to buy. You had to expect that. July 1, they put it right back to work. Tomorrow we have the jobs numbers, all important job number. Now we're going to tell people we think the numbers are going to come in line. 185,000, 190,000 jobs. We have personal income number and outlays. We have the factory orders number. We have James Bullard speaking. And last but not least, can you say S&P 1700? Hold on, Bri. Now, late in the day, this is what it's all about here. It's about sharing information. And late in the day, one of our clients hit us up and said that there was a Credit Suisse First Boston had a big $2 billion rotation out of treasuries and into mid-cap exposure. Now, I'm going to end this like this. If you've not tried the MrTopStep imbalance meter, or you've not jumped on into our trading room, I think you're missing out on a lot of stuff. There's a lot of great traders in here. Nobody's trying to pull the wool over anybody's eyes. We're just a bunch of old traders from the floor. We've adapted to some new trading rules as things have evolved, and all we're trying to do is share them with you. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.